Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today I'm going to teach you on subject-verb agreement. Let's know subject and verb. Subject is someone or something and verb is the action done by that someone or something. Like Suryana likes chocolates. Suryana reads books. There are four types of subjects: singular subject, one person; plural subject, more than one person; uncountable subject is subjects that you can't count; and a group subject where there are so many of them and you use words like each, every, any. They are considered singular subjects. There are two types of verbs: singular verb, plural verb. Singular verb refers to one subject doing something. Plural verb refers to two or more subjects doing something. The rules you need to remember: singular subject, that means one person. Verb plus S, is, was, does, has. You can see the examples on the blackboard. The rules you need to remember for plural subject is you must use plural verbs. Verbs without S, are, were, do, have. You can see the examples on the blackboard. That is all for today's lesson. The worksheet resources are available in the description link below. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with new tutorial videos so we can learn together.